How's everybody doing tonight? What we got here is we got my newest 76 48. Oh, it goes up pretty high, doesn't it? You can see I got all the electric off, got all the tins off. I got starting to strip down the motor, make it a little lighter so I can lift it out of there, take it out and wash it up. Then I can take the frame and the front end outside and power wash it, and then I'll probably take the front end off tonight or tomorrow, I don't know when. But anyway, finding all kinds of neat stuff out. Every time I take something apart, I find something that I don't particularly like. This one, he was telling me clutch didn't work, but he had it filled clear to here with primary oil, which may have sumped through here. May have. I don't know. But because I'm missing oil in the motor side too, as we saw. And this is something that's no bueno. Something like that'll crack your case fast. You know, see? Because you figure you're going fast, that's spinning it up, and it's going to hit your case right there and be rubbing. But all you gotta do is adjust this proper. When it should only have about ½ inch of movement. That moves a mile. But you know, nothing we can't do so far. You know, thing I didn't like was I saw this, and really that's not a bad repair, I guess. But I'm going to make it a little nicer. You know, see that? Can you zoom on that? Yeah, you can see it there. You see the weld. See the weld? That's just a bolt turned upside down. It should be a threaded hole. I mean, you know. But I'll repair that, and hopefully you won't even be able to tell. Okay. Now, you know, I'm just going over it, and it's been leaking oil for a long time. Oh, and another interesting thing, when I popped the cover off, there was no big brass washer for starter. That was just in the case, I mean in my primary. Here, let's go. See that? That's where that big brass washer goes that people find in the bottom of this, but I didn't find it in the bottom of there. And I didn't find it over here. And I know I got a shitload of tools out here. But I like to have doubles of everything, right? When I'm doing this, so I don't have to keep walking back and forth and looking around for tools. But I don't know if you can see up inside here. Be able to see it in there, maybe. Yeah. No, I'm trying to get a shot of the valves in there. But this is where the starter used to be, and you know, it's been leaking. The hoses are a little bad, you know, and this and that. But I'm thinking about hardtailing it, so I started taking the swing arm off. I got to take the exhaust bracket off. All that makes it lighter. I'll pull the heads and the jugs off. Then I'll take it outside, degrease it, turn it upside down, dump everything out of it I can. Check the tolerances on the cranks. Take a look inside the jugs, see what the inside of jugs look like. Pistons, the rings, valves, all that good stuff. But that's going to be probably like tomorrow, because I worked all day, and I'm just giving you an idea of the progress here. Alright, you guys have a really good night, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Maybe I'll do a live show tomorrow. Take it easy. Crashman out.